Okay students, now this week we will have some more activities based on this chapter number 5, which is acids, bases and salts. Now today we have first activity, that is called activity number 5.3. Here we have to prepare natural indicator, that is called China rose as an indicator. For that we have to select petals of any color of China rose. People, you know about China rose, which is known as gudhal in Hindi, or shoe flower. Now the petals of this flower has to be taken in a beaker or in a glass bottle or something, or glass bowl. There we have to add some warm water in a beaker. Now we have to wait for few minutes. After a while that mixture will now becomes colored. Now what we have to do with this solution or this mixture? So first of all we have to taste with this mixture with this acidic solution. There we will get the acidic solution whenever we added China rose indicator, that will now becomes into dark pink or magenta. Now the action of this China rose indicator is on basic solution, that will now turn into green. Let's see what happened during our activity. Student, here is a sample of shoe flower, gudhal or China rose of any color you can take. Now remove the petals of this flower like this and keep it in a glass bowl. Now take some water, warm water into, pour some water or warm water into this bowl and left it for 10 to 15 minutes. Now this water will now becomes into colored solution like this. Here I have already prepared this solution. Now what I have to do? I have to add this indicator one by one or one after one in acidic as well as in basic solution. Here is a test tube where I have to pour some amount of dilute acid into this. Now I have to use this indicator in it. What will happen? See student, this whole content is get turned into pink or magenta. Now here is a second test tube where I have to pour some amount of basic solution or dilute base into it. Now add some amount of this rose, China rose indicator into it. What will happen? This whole content is now get turned into green color, which shows the presence of basic solution in this test tube. Okay student, now our next activity based on some chemicals that we hire from chemistry lab. Due to shortening of time, I cannot arrange that. I can only here to be explained about them. Here I made one table that is given already in your textbook. Now in first, serial number, then name of acid or base, effects on litmus paper, effects on turmeric paper, effects on China rose solution. Now first substance, that is dilute hydrochloric acid. Since it is an acid, so be careful for that. Which reacts on litmus paper, reaction of litmus paper, it turns blue litmus into red. And effects on turmeric paper, if we add this turmeric paper on dipped into this dilute hydrochloric acid, there we do not get any changes. That means the China rose indicator as usual shows its yellow color. But when we apply this China rose solution on this acidic solution, that's turned into pink. Now same is to be here in dilute sulfuric acid, nitric acid and acetic acid. Up to this fourth point, the action of litmus paper and turmeric paper and China rose give same effect. Now from 5th, 6th and 7th, these three substances are known as base, and whenever this base get touched with this litmus paper, that is red litmus, that turn into blue. In case of turmeric paper, the turmeric paper shows change in red color or shows red color, and when we add this China rose solution to this basic solution, that gives green color. One more thing, before this activity there is a caption given in your textbook about coffee, whether it is acidic or basic in nature. The topic is given in riddle form because taste of coffee is bitter and its appearance is brown color. Dear student, coffee is acidic in nature. Remember, coffee is acidic in nature. Okay, now next topic is neutralization. This word itself, its meaning shows that something is get neutralized. That means action of acid and base, whenever they mix together, that will give the effect of neutralization. Now what happens when an acid is mixed with a base? This has to be proved by using this solution or indicator that is called phenolphthalein solution, whose color is dark pink, that is available in chemistry lab. Now in activity 5.5 we have to use one test tube where we have to take 1/4 dilute hydrochloric acid, add 2 to 3 drops of phenolphthalein solution in it, shake well, the whole solution becomes colorless. Initially, students, this indicator gives the color dark pink whenever we add this acid to it, and after its strong shaking, that will now becomes colorless. Now this whole content to be added with sodium hydrochloride solution, which is strong base. Now whenever this sodium hydroxide get mixed into this test tube, again shake well, the whole content now becomes dark pink, which shows that whenever an acidic solution is mixed with a basic solution, both the solution neutralize the effect of each other. Initially the acids which get colorless due to the presence of this phenolphthalein solution, now that mixture becomes again colorful when we add this strong base, that is sodium hydroxide, because the action of acid and base both have now becomes neutralized. What happens if we take example of this acid and base? Here is a hydrochloric acid, dilute hydrochloric acid and sodium hydroxide in some same amount to which taken in a beaker. Result is here. Now salt, that is sodium chloride, common salt, will now derive from the mixture of this neutralization and water will get. Okay students, now effects of acids and bases which present in our environment in various forms. That is first of all present in ant. चींटियों में ये पाया जाता है. The type of acid that is found in ant, that is called formic acid, and whenever we get bite from an ant, that get effects of itching in our skin and can be minimized by or can be overcome by rubbing moisty baking soda, that is known as sodium hydrogen carbonate. Baking soda is a type of soda that is used by our mother in home during cooking purpose. Now soil, the soil whatever present in our garden or playground, whatever, this soil can be becomes acidic by using excessive use of fertilizer. and that can be, this acidic nature of this soil can be neutralized by using calcium oxide, that is called quicklime, or slag lime, that is called calcium hydroxide, being used to neutralize the acidic action of soil. And whenever this soil becomes too much basic, that can be neutralized by adding organic matter which releases some kind of acids into the soil and neutralizes the base present in soil. And last one is very tremendous issue that beings pollutes our nature, that is called factory waste, that is found in smoke form or discharge of water from the factory. And since this factory wastes may be contain acids, so before discharge into water bodies, that can be neutralized by adding basic matter into it, so that aquatic life can be prevented by the action of these factory pollutants.